southwestern Delaware County and southeastern Pennsylvania until 4:32 p.m. A severe thunderstorm is located over County.
Southwestern Delaware County and southeastern Pennsylvania. Till 5:15 p.m. At 4:32 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Westernburg, 40 miles north of Newark. 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles. Wind gusts. Radar indicated. Impact, damage to roof, cutting, trees, and power lines.
Thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Chester and Delaware, and Newcastle, Delaware, and the following counties in New Jersey, Gloucester and Salem.
Until 5:15 p.m. and Salem.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Cecil County in northeastern Maryland until 5 p.m. At 4:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Zion, or 9 miles northwest of Elkton, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter size. Outdoors, as well as damaged homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Elkton, Calvert, Northeast, Zion, Lake, Hartsdale, Lombard, Angora, Pleasant Hill, Cherry Hill, Bear Hill, Glen Westover, Big Blue, and Appleton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning monitoring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers.
Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties: Cecil, Maryland. The following